Welcome to your weekly video looking ahead at what's happening in financial markets and some things to keep an eye on over the coming days. Let's look at our top five market moving factors for this week. Of course, we saw a pullback on Friday, which has threatened the traditional Santa Claus rally, which often happens during this period. We've written articles about that and why it happens and how it happens. Well, the reality is that a threat to the Fed cutting rates in 2025 have kept markets fairly flat during last week with a pullback on Friday, leaving the S&P 500 slightly to the downside after last week's trading. Some interesting things this week, of course, which may resurrect the hopes of a rally into the start of the year. And traditionally, if there has been a Santa Claus rally, then January tends to be good. We shall see. It is US jobs week, and even a Goldilocks number is unlikely to influence the Fed's thinking in the short term. We, of course, have the weekly jobs number on Thursday, and then the all important non-farm payrolls on Friday. That will be the one that moves markets. Suggest the major movements maybe in the USD. At this stage, it looks unlikely that the Fed are going to raise rates more than twice during 2025. It's just the timing of that which may be adjusted, and that jobs number could be influential. Tesla has obviously been one of the stocks that has been an outperformer during the back half of 2024. We do have delivery reports coming out this week, which may either threaten, of course, or justify an incredible price move since particularly November. One to watch if you're either in or interested in being in this outperforming stock. Bond yields hit 7-month highs on Friday. The impact on the USD could be significant if this continues. Much will be influenced by what happens with that non-farm payrolls this week, but other data feeding into that may push the USD over 2-year highs, which were tested last week. And finally, we've been looking regularly at Bitcoin, and there are questions now raised as to whether 100,000 on Bitcoin is sustainable. Last week's pullback suggests that a short-term ceiling may have been reached, as we are seeing some short-term weakness as we start the week. Further profit taking may push it through a short-term support. And if we just have a look at a chart, you can see this pull down towards this support level at around about 91,500. And see the pullback last week following another failed attempt to breach $100,000, which we last hit a couple of weeks ago. So this level here is important. It may precipitate some more selling if we get a breach. So that's it for this week. There are your 5 things to keep an eye on. Of course, apart from New Year's Day, we will be running daily live market updates and charts of the day at 12:30. And of course, our Inner Circle trading education session at 8 p.m. is usually on a Wednesday. But this week, it is tonight on Monday, a session looking at how to make 2025 potentially your best trading year ever. Remember, we're always going to be here for you, not only this week, but obviously throughout 2025. And of course, we'll take this opportunity to wish you all you wish for yourselves during next year. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.